and welcome back to my channel. Today is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to you all, or happy holidays. If you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, I hope that you're still having a great day, eating good, having a good time. So let's get right into it. So today I am going to be cooking for the first time my Thanksgiving meal. Usually I go to other people's houses, my family members' houses, my friends' houses. But this year I am here at my new place, and my mom was supposed to come in town, but she didn't end up coming in town. So all of this is last minute. Literally went to the store yesterday afternoonish because I invited my aunt and her boyfriend over to eat, like last minute. So here we are. I'm about to attempt to make some green bean casserole. One year my cousin made it and it was so good, so I just looked up a recipe on Pinterest. I'll show you guys the recipe once I start, and then I'm gonna attempt to make some cornbread, and I'm gonna use oat milk. Anyways, so let's just get into it. So yeah, the vegetarian baked beans, which I might add like some onions or something into it. And then here are the ingredients for the green bean casserole. So it called for French style green beans and this cream of mushroom, and also my favorite part of the whole dish is these French fried onions. They didn't have the other brand left. I guess everybody took it, so I just got this Great Value brand. Y'all know what brand I'm talking about. And then also, I know guys, don't trip on me, but I have never made cornbread before, so this will be my first time. It doesn't seem too hard, but yeah, let's get right into it. Got the oat milk. Like I said, I don't drink regular milk. Nice little something to it. It's a little bit thicker, like regular milk. Preheat. Okay, so given the instructions again, I haven't made this before. 1 pack of this Jiffy honey corn muffin mix, and then 1 egg and 1/3 cup of milk. Oh, it definitely said press here. It's my first time making cornbread. I know y'all probably like, wait, it don't come out? It doesn't come out the box. Like, right. Shambles. Right. Pour this in here. What did I say? I said 1 egg, 1 egg. Okay, so I got my measuring cup for 1/3, and now I'm just going to add. See how the oat milk is thick like regular milk? So that's why I feel like it'll work. It'll work. Okay. Now I'm supposed to mix this all together. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Y'all know that TikTok where it be like mix. Mix. So yeah, you gotta get your, I don't know if you're supposed to mix till the clumps is gone. Yeah. Drew Barrymore line. Isn't it so cute? Look. Oh dang, I gotta wash it. Hold on y'all, I'll be right back. I gotta wash this. Washing it with my scrub daddy. Or yeah, scrub mommy, scrub daddy. Get all in there, you know. Always wash your utensils and bowls and stuff when you purchase them from the store, so people be touching on them. Alright, now let's get back into it. Hold up. Hey.
Okay, overdrive. Okay, let's get it.
Alright, for real, I'm sweating. Hold on.
I think it's good.
Wait, let me take a break. Let me take a break. No show.
Still whipping, eh?
Yes, I'm gonna be strong by the end of this. Should probably work out my left hand, you know. Get in there. Ooh, that does look cute. Welcome to Chef Rayvo. As you're like sweating through your wig, but you're like, oh, you know what? I just moved the bowl. Move the bowl.
You might learn something there.
I don't know. I am sweating. This is why y'all should really be thanking whoever's cooking y'all Thanksgiving dinner. Y'all make sure y'all give them a hug, a kiss, a thank you, because I know they be hot, sweating, you know, all that. as they're making these delicious meals, I give it up to all the grandmas and moms and dads and cousins and aunties that be in the kitchen throwing down. Cause I'm not even doing much. This is just the cornbread. I'm doing it the hard way. But you know, I have been missing the gym, so, you know, I'm making up for it with cornbread.
Work it, girl, work it.
We back. It says grease. I sound so country. Greased. It wasn't grease the pan. Okay, so I usually just use a napkin and move the, do y'all do that? Or is it?
That's not ghetto. It's common sense.
I mean, even if it is, I don't care.
Using
it works.
Grease. Look at that.
Look, it's spreading it around. I think you're supposed to use one of them, you know those little things that people use when they barbecue and it look like a broom, but it's
yeah, like a paintbrush. It's a paintbrush.
A little broom.
You paint it.
I think that's what you're supposed to use, but you know. All right, pan is greased. Now you're gonna, you wanna make sure you don't waste any product, okay? For this little wine. Oh, yes, my first time making cornbread. I really hope it turns out good, especially because I decided for my first time to make cornbread be a time where I invite people over. People gonna tell you if it's nasty or not. I think.
Got it all?
I think we're good. I mean, I'm gonna make another batch in that pan. I'm gonna make another one because I really like cornbread. So I know me, I'm eating half the pan by myself. Boom. Now we're gonna evenly distribute. That'll look even.
Yeah, that looks good to me.
Alright, now I'm gonna do the second one and I'm gonna come back when I put it in the oven. Alright? You tear it back. Y'all see that? Clever. Alright, now we shall go to the oven. Okay, let me stop playing before I drop this. So I'm just gonna put it right here. 400 for 13 to 15 minutes, so we'll be back. What we're doing right now is opening up our French styled green beans. And if I didn't mention to y'all, we are making green bean casserole, okay? Oh, just flick some of the green beans juice in my eye.
Uh-oh.
Oh, wait, hold up. Let's drain it. Ooh. Okay. Oh, that's the timer for the cornbread, so the green beans gonna have to wait. Hold up. Let's check on the cornbread. Oh, that looks delicious. I wish I had a toothpick. You know this from all, watching the grandmas cook. When you put your little fork or your toothpick, if it come out wet, that means it ain't ready. And if it come out dry, it's ready. Y'all see that? That is dry. Okay? That's like my scalp when I take off my wigs. I'm gonna keep it in for like 2 more minutes. It's not wet, but I just see that I want the top to be a little more brown. I like mine to have a little crunch look when you eat it. Let me make sure I don't go over my 2 minutes now. I'm gonna start the timer. Now back to this, you're gonna add your French beans in there like that, like so. This one, do the same thing. I never bought French style beans in a can. I hope it's good. So now that we got that in there, it says add a can of the cream of mushrooms. And like I said, y'all, all of this was last minute. So don't judge me that none of this is like homemade, like homemade cream sauce, homemade beans, like it's a bunch of canned stuff. But listen, it's gonna taste good, okay? Catch me next year when I'm prepared. One of the recipes said that you just add 2 cans of those style things and then 1 can of this mushroom stuff. We gonna roll with that. I'm about to mix it together and see if it's juicy enough for my likings. I feel like when you play stuff by ear, sometimes it really come out better than if you follow the recipe. See that? That was a lot. All right, the 2 minutes is up. Let me see if my cornbread is looking how I want it to look. Okay, hold up. Let me not burn my fingers. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so we gonna take this out. Whoop, hold up. I did get these foils from the Dollar Tree, so they a little flimsy. Don't try to touch it. You don't have auntie fingers, okay?
I thought I had the auntie fingers.
You don't have the auntie fingers. If y'all know what auntie fingers is, let me know. You don't have auntie fingers, nor do I. So we haven't been cooking in the kitchen that long. The green bean casserole calls for 400 too, so we're gonna let these cool down, then we're gonna add some vegan butter on them, okay? I think that's good. I'm just gonna add a little chili powder to give it a little, just a little bit, you know, just a little bit. And I'm gonna also add some organic oregano, just for, you know, a little extra razzle dazzle. Okay, now I'm gonna add in some of these French onions. I'm eyeballing this, so I know you add some on top at the end, but they did say add some into the mixture, so yeah. And then you just, I'm guessing you just kind of marry all of it together. And when it starts heating up, it's probably gonna get a little bit more liquidy. I really wanna add some nutritional yeast in here to give it like a little cheesy. Y'all, I'm making up my own recipe right now, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna come out good because I know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna add some nutritional yeast in here. If y'all don't know what this is the truth. If you vegan, vegetarian, this is the truth. Or if you're not vegan, vegetarian, this is the truth. Okay? But I discovered it when I became vegan a while back, when I was vegan for like 6 months. Okay. So I had to say that real quiet. Okay, so we just added a little bit for razzle dazzle effects.
That actually looks really kind of good.
It does. I'm gonna add a little bit more of this. Just a little. Again, we're eyeballing it. I might add a little bit more seasoning because like the seasoning done diminished. Seasonings as like the sauce. So you add a little bit more of that. A little more pepper. And just a splash of chili. Alright, y'all. My first attempt at making green bean casserole. I'm pretty sure everybody that's coming will let me know if it's nasty or not. But boom, that's how you do it right there. And then you put it in the oven, okay? We gonna put this baby right here and we're just gonna let that roll, okay? Okay. So this is how the casserole is looking. Okay. She look good. She look good. She look good or whatever. Nice, nice. Now you're supposed to add the other stuff on top. But I'll do that a little later because I don't know if I'm gonna have to like heat it up. This is gone. Let me slow down. The time is 2:39 and my guests are supposed to get here at 4. You know, I don't know if they're gonna be on time, but I want to make sure that I have everything. I mean, I feel like I'm doing good timing though. Okay, come on. Ah, there we go. I'm gonna add the other can. I like baked beans a lot too, so we're going in. Do the same thing. Hopefully it doesn't overflow. Okay, that one came out a lot smoother. Look at it. Yummy. Is this like a Thanksgiving thing? Do they have baked beans at Thanksgiving? I know they have baked beans at like cookouts. So I decided to put some onions in it, but I decided to like, you know, saute them a little bit. I don't even know if this technique is called sauteing, but grill them, cook them a little bit. Onions in there. I hope nobody mad I added onions in here. I don't eat ground beef. I didn't add any, but most of the time I see people add ground beef to their baked beans, so I added onions. Okay. I heard from a source, a little birdie came to the window and was like, girl, you're supposed to add brown sugar. See, this is how y'all know I don't ever make the food at, I love to cook, but I only cook like vegan, vegetarian. I don't add like a lot of like sugars and salts like I said. There we go. I think that should be good. Mix it in, get it to the bottom. Okay. So now I'm gonna put the beans in to get them warmed. Boom. Okay, so now I'm about to stage everything so it can look nice and laid out. So I had already set this up. I started setting it up, then I'm like, oh, let me show you guys. I am going to put this, tape this behind here, because as you can see, this is like the menu that I use for like the weekly thing, but I don't want the weekly part, so I'm just gonna, you know, kind of make it look cute. But this is our menu, this is everything we got. Okay, now we can. Alright guys, so hope you enjoyed that little montage. So basically what I did was I staged everything and then I labeled all the stuff that's going to go in there. Now I do have the green bean casserole and the baked beans. They're going to stay inside the container that they're in. So I'm going to stage those in a second. I have a backup mashed potato bowl. And we got salmon patties cooking right there. Go ahead and flip those bad boys. So now I just tape that part down. I'm just gonna cover up as best we can. I also have some greenery here, but I'm gonna try to like put them around, you know, make it look cute and fancy. And then I have this to put the pie on, so I'm gonna put the pie, one of the pies. Y'all do not come for me, okay? Okay? This was last minute. I'm sorry to yell, but I know somebody in the comments gonna be like, this girl done got canned everything, pre-made everything. Listen, first of all, these pies is bomb. It's like my Aunt LaBelle, she made it for me, okay? It's like it's homemade. I did not make no homemade pies, y'all. This is last minute, but this pie is bomb. And I'm gonna take it out of the box so, you know, you might think that I made it, but I really didn't make it. Okay, this is gonna be cute. And then I'm gonna put the other pie, strawberry cream cheese pie, and it's gonna go on top of here. So I'll use this as an example because in the fridge it's a cold pie. So it's gonna be like this and then it's gonna sit on top like that, okay? Time's a ticking, okay? So I'm gonna show y'all once everything is like placed. For tuning into this Thanksgiving vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. More vlogs to come. If I didn't mention, I will be doing Vlogmas, so stay tuned. Yes, you heard it right. I will be doing Vlogmas. RayvoChic doing Vlogmas, so make sure you guys tune into that. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. I'm about to go dig in. Bye!